Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best chalkboard calendar is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing tools for organizing your life, offering a large, erasable surface that transforms any wall into a functional command center for your home or office, allowing you to jot down appointments, to-do lists, and reminders with ease, making it an indispensable addition for anyone seeking a stylish and practical way to manage their schedule and boost productivity. Number 5. Ubrand's Magnetic Chalk Calendar Board. Enhance your workspace and boost productivity with this modern magnetic chalk calendar board. It adds functionality and style to any office, classroom, or home. Plan your month at a glance with this convenient calendar. Keep track of your entire family's tasks and events effortlessly. It includes chalk pencils and a magnet. Hang this board effortlessly with the included hardware and instructions. You will be ready to start scheduling in no time. Designed to resist stains and ghosting, this premium surface ensures a clean slate every time. Unleash your creativity without limitations. We are a company of designers and innovators passionate about providing well-designed products. We aim to help you feel inspired. What we like? This calendar board offers a premium, stain-free surface for all your planning needs. It's magnetic, adding extra functionality for notes or reminders. If you're looking for a stylish and practical monthly planner for your office or home, this is a great choice. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The chalkboard surface is smooth and easy to write on with chalk markers. It comes with mounting hardware, making it easy to hang on the wall. Number 4. DesignOvation Beatrice Framed Magnetic Chalkboard Calendar. Introducing the Beatrice Framed Magnetic Chalkboard Calendar. Its rustic brown finish adds a touch of charm to any space, making organization beautiful. This decorative calendar is perfect for keeping your home or office organized. Effortlessly plan your month at a glance. Enjoy a generous magnetic chalkboard surface for all your notes and reminders. The ample daily boxes provide plenty of space for your schedule. Installation is a breeze with the attached D-ring hangers. It comes complete with 4 round magnets, so you can start organizing right away. Expand your organizational system by combining it with other coordinating pieces from the Beatrice collection. Create a cohesive and stylish wall organizer solution. What we like? This is a generously sized magnetic chalkboard calendar with a rustic brown frame, perfect for a coordinated look. If you appreciate a more traditional aesthetic and need ample space for daily planning, consider this for your home or office organization. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The chalkboard surface is smooth and easy to write on with chalk markers. It comes with mounting hardware, making it easy to hang on the wall. Number 3. ARCOBIS 36 by 24 Dry Erase Calendar with Cork Board. This calendar features a unique 2-in-1 design, combining a dry erase calendar with a cork board. It's perfect for visually managing your dates and appointments while keeping important notes and mementos easily accessible. The integrated cork board offers ample space for pinning receipts, tickets, and photos. Its self-healing natural cork ensures firm pinning and easy removal, keeping your calendar clutter-free. Experience smooth writing and easy cleaning with our advanced calendar board. Utilizing tinplate printing technology with an extra varnish layer, the lines are fade-resistant and built for long-term use after extensive testing. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to organize your life. It comes with markers, push pins, magnets, and an eraser, making it ideal for tracking family schedules, work plans, and more. We are committed to sustainability. Both the dry erase board and cork components are crafted from FSC-certified wood, ensuring responsible sourcing. Gain a clear overview of your schedule, tasks, and events at a glance. This versatile board helps you prioritize your day and keeps everyone in shared spaces informed about upcoming activities. What we like? This large 2-in-1 calendar whiteboard features a combination dry erase calendar and a cork board. If you need a versatile organizational tool to manage schedules and pin important notes or photos, this is ideal for busy families or shared office spaces. What people say. The chalkboard calendar is large and provides ample space for writing daily tasks and appointments. The included markers are vibrant and erase cleanly, making it easy to update the calendar. The sturdy construction ensures the chalkboard calendar stays securely on the wall. Number 2. ARCOBIS 12x16 Dry Erase Calendar with Corkboard. Introducing the ARCOBIS Dry Erase Calendar with Corkboard, a versatile planning tool for your home or office. This compact 12 by 16 inch board helps you stay organized. Maximize your writing space with its double-sided design. Use one side for monthly planning and the other for notes, to-do lists, or creative ideas. This innovative 2-in-1 design combines a dry erase calendar for scheduling with a corkboard for pinning important reminders and notes, all in one convenient place. Keep track of your busy schedule with clearly defined daily boxes, perfect for jotting down appointments, deadlines, and family activities at a glance. Enjoy a smooth writing surface that lasts. Built with an extra protective layer, it's tested for 100,000 writing and erasing cycles, ensuring the lines never fade. Feel good about your purchase. The materials used are FSC certified, ensuring they come from responsibly managed forests. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for any small space, from home offices to dorm rooms. Plus, it comes with all the accessories you need for immediate use and effortless installation. What we like? This compact, double-sided calendar board offers a calendar on one side and a blank whiteboard on the other, all with a stylish gold frame. If you're in a smaller space and need flexible planning and note-taking options, this is perfect for home offices or dorm rooms. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The chalkboard surface is smooth and easy to write on with chalk markers. It comes with mounting hardware, making it easy to hang on the wall. Number 1. Roommate's Chalkboard Giant Peel and Stick Wall Decal. Transform any smooth surface into a functional chalkboard with this easy-to-use decal. It applies smoothly and can be repositioned without leaving any sticky residue behind. This decal is designed for repeated use, making it perfect for any space. You can easily move it from one room to another without any hassle. Whether you rent or own your home, this is a fantastic solution for adding a creative touch. It's a renter-friendly way to personalize your walls. Made in the USA, this product is crafted with your safety in mind. It's free from harmful chemicals and is completely non-toxic. This giant decal measures 17.25 inches by 24 inches, providing ample space for notes, reminders, and your monthly calendar. It's a practical and fun addition to any room. Crafted from durable vinyl, this decal is built to last. Its quality construction ensures it will be a useful and decorative item for a long time. What we like? This giant chalkboard calendar is a peel and stick wall decal, making it incredibly easy to apply and reposition without residue. If you're a renter or want a temporary, non-damaging way to add a functional calendar to your wall, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The calendar is large and has plenty of space for writing. The chalkboard surface is smooth and easy to write on with chalk markers. It comes with a variety of colored chalk markers, which is a nice touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.